This might be the dumbest or smartest thing I've ever done to the Supra. I'm going to use AI to help me tune the car. But if I get it wrong, this engine is gonna pay the price. Everybody's talking about AI, taking jobs, writing code, making videos, but today I'm going to use this for something real and I'm going to show you. I'm going to leverage AI today to help me tune my Toyota Supra. Tuning really is telling the engine how much fuel it needs in different moments, in RPM and pressure. Too much fuel makes the car get lazy. We call this rich condition. Too little fuel, we call it lean. It's not good for your engine and you might blow your engine. So all we are going to try to do is to get a good balance, get the engine to not run too rich and not lean at all, and get as much power as we can. By the way, if you want to try something like this, I made a free AI tune checklist. This will help organize your ideas before you start asking AI to do magic for you. The link is going to be down here in the description. That's my website. You fill up 3 fields with your name, last name, and email. I'll send you an email with the link to download this free PDF. This is only a checklist to organize your ideas before you go and ask AI to help you tune your car. Now what we need to do is drive, grab some logs with the computer, which is right there. I'm ready for it. I have an Insta360 camera here to get some videos. We're gonna get good footage. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the logs, and when I'm done, we're gonna see what ChatGPT is gonna do with it. All right, car is warm, so we are good to go. See what this says. I already put my information into a Supra tune on my ChatGPT. I'm gonna open my data log, which is this guy, and ChatGPT is expecting this. So I'm gonna drop in here, and I'm gonna say, here we go. Tell me where you think it's running, rich or lean. Consider acceleration enrichment. It suggests me to change the lower areas first, 20, 30, 40, and 50 kPa. I asked it how it will look like, so it gave me the rundown one by one. I choose not to change 20 and 30 because this is when I decelerate and, you know, when I'm in gear and the car doesn't die, so I'm not going to change that. And I told him, I said, hey, bro, I'm not going to change. He said, yep, great, I agree with you. Let's keep going and let's do a pull, a harder pull. All right, so let's go for another drive. And I'm going to go for a drive. I'm not going to keep showing all the logs, but I'm going to come back with a log and we're going to do AI again. This is exactly why I made a free AI tune checklist. Go to the link in the description, subscribe, and I'll send you a link to download the PDF. You can follow the same process I'm doing here. RPM. Okay. That's the pull we're gonna do. Alright, we're going through a second iteration now. I stopped at a kid selling, I thought he was selling lemonade, but a businessman, he had some stuff, so lunchtime. So here I got some logs. I'm gonna go ChatGPT, upload this log and see what it says. Here is the run after the changes, and I'm telling him I've done one clean pull. Let's see what he says. So it uploaded, took 4 minutes, and it says I did a clean pull. and it told me what's going on, and it said that some things that we reduce now are slightly lean in 40 kPa and so on. So it explains everything here, as you see. And my clean pool is still rich, but because it's very high boost on the Supra, we need to change, be conservative. It is suggesting some things, ignore some other things. This is the result. So I'm going to change those things. I'm going to go for a drive. The important thing about this is I'm not letting AI tune the car for me. I'm using AI as a second set of eyes. AI also makes mistakes, so I double check the logs. I check to see what it's saying that I need to change, really needs to be changed, and I go from there. The scary part is that this car really blew an engine because of fuel issues. And now I replace all the fuel system and I'm not taking any chances. So I'm using AI just as a second set of eyes for me. So far AI is actually helping me clean up the tune. I'm not gonna go full send today. I'm gonna check the logs more later on. Next videos I'm gonna let the Supra loose, let it play a little more. There's the Eclipse that I'm gonna do the same thing. The Eclipse is a little rougher than the Supra, but so far AI thumbs up. Again, last time, if you want the same checklist I used for this video, link in the description, and download the AI tune checklist. Use it carefully. Remember, tuning is serious. Small changes, good logs. Don't blow up your baby. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. And